Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I have a special deal that I got from Costco. I think this set was about $89.99 plus tax. We got this one on sale for $69.99, and I think this was about 60 bucks. We got it for around 43 something plus tax. So yeah, by the way, this video is not sponsored by any of this company. So this one's the Smart Clean 360 rechargeable toothbrush. It's a visible pressure sensor to protect gums, 2-minute timer, long-lasting battery, 5 cleaning settings. Wow. So one is like a white color, the other one's like a black, and you have a storage case that goes with it. Come with one of the extra toothbrush, the heads. Got 2 travel cases. It says come with a 2-year limited warranty, 6-day money back guarantee. It says clinical proven, cleaner teeth and healthier gums. So yeah, we're gonna see if it's gonna help the tartar buildup or prevent from your gum de-seeding. Pretty nice. By the way, they also come with there's a ring. There's a blue ring, teal, and then red. So you know exactly if it belongs to your wife, your son, or whoever. So right here is the carrying case. Looks pretty simple. And here is the on and off button. So this must be the mode to change the different mode, 5 different modes. And you have the wireless charging cradle station. Right here is like a rubberized material right here on the backing. And right here as well. Stereo. So let's check it out. We put in the case So it has to be sideways because you see the bottom is like a kind of like a oval shape. So it fit in like that. Even have a diagram right here. And this is where you put your toothbrush or toothbrushes. So I'm gonna give it to her, the red one. So you put this ring on there. Oops. Doesn't matter which way. Probably not. Oh, that's it. It's gonna come out, no? Nice. Put this one. I'm gonna get the blue one. So yeah, they give you a color-coded ring, which is good. I think it's only fitting one way. And these are the 10 set of the brush heads. It says this one, remove plaques in hard to reach area to prevent plaque buildup. Round cleans better. Rainbow indicator bristles. X filmic technology. So they got pink, yellow, pink again, yellow, 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 teal, blue. Why so many pink? And then pink. Huh. It's weird they only come with one blue. So this one has like a rubber tip to remove the plaque. And then the original one, they come with the toothbrush. Oh, the brush is only... Well, I'm not going to open those yet until we need to replace it. Let's go ahead and check on this wireless charger. So yeah, you put this into like a rectangular, pull this thing out. Oh, if it come out, got stuck. There you go. So right here is the wireless charging cradle. Let me get the tape open. That's it. And then I just sit over here and let it charge. So it only fit one way. Okay. That's it. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn on that bell for notification or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.